Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to zinc plate at home. Prepare your workspace by gathering a power source, zinc anode, electrolyte, cleaning supplies, and safety gear. Start by thoroughly cleaning and degreasing parts with a suitable solvent, then rinse and brighten with an acid dip if needed. Use clamps or fixtures to hold parts, avoiding contact points on plating surfaces. Maintain ventilation and monitor voltage during the process for even coating. Choose materials that match the job: zinc anode, electrolyte like zinc sulfate, and a variable DC power supply capable of low amperage. Measure solution concentration and temperature and mix with distilled water for consistency. Use non-conductive fixtures and ensure good electrical contact where plating isn't desired. Keep a multimeter nearby to check current and voltage, and adjust settings slowly to avoid burning or uneven deposits while monitoring the part surface. In this video, I will show how to zinc plate at home. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free timers, reference checks, and music while you plate, making the process smoother and more enjoyable. It's compact, easy to use, and fits any workshop or bench area. If that sounds useful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by thoroughly cleaning, degreasing, and etching the part to expose fresh metal for plating adhesion. Suspend the part in the electrolyte and position the zinc anode opposite it, keeping even spacing for uniform plating. Apply low DC voltage and watch current density. Increase slowly if deposition is too slow, but avoid overheating. Plate in short intervals, inspect the finish, then neutralize, rinse with distilled water, and dry before sealing or post-treatments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.